Garvee 13-gallon trash can. This has a foot lever here to open it up. It also has a nice feature where if you want to, kind of open it up all the way to keep it open, it does have that feature, and you can pull out this inner bin. This bin right here will accept a normal 13-gallon trash bag, that you get from all your normal stores, and it fits on there fine. It has a little handle there, and this fits inside, so I'll sort of show you. This fits inside there. So when you want to take the trash out, very good. This is the little plunger here, so I'll show you what happens. That little plunger actually keeps it from slamming. So when you open it up, it's like a soft close, like a cabinet. It is this oblong kind of shape, and it does have a handle back here. Now I did some measurements because I like to know the size of these things, right? So from the back, if you're putting this against a wall, it's about 17 inches to the front here. If you include the little panel here, you'd have to add another about 2 inches. It is 2 feet tall, and with the top open, you're looking at about 40 inches tall. The reason why that's important is if you want to put it under the counter, that you might have an issue with that, but that's where it is. Okay, this is the back right here, and you can see it's got a stainless steel kind of finish on it. It does say that it's waterproof, so that the water will go over, because you can see this lid does go over the edge here, so water won't go inside. So you could use this outside. It does say it's rust proof, so that's probably where I'll end up using this one, is outside in my yard, because this is rust proof. Stainless steel, and I think it's a pretty neat, looking trash can. You have your Garvee symbol right there, right on the front, and that is the trash can.